What's up YouTube, MexTech Guy here. So in today's video, we're actually going to be going over, or actually unboxing, the brand new Galaxy Note 9. I just got this phone today and I'm pretty sure the release date is on Friday, which I'm pretty stoked about because I got my hands on it first. So anyways, the one that I got was actually the Coral Blue, and it's in 128 gigs. And we're just going to go ahead and jump into it and see what it has inside. So like always, the box is a good presentation. Open up the box, you get greeted by all the paperwork, and there is a SIM card eject tool right here as well, but we don't really care about that, so we'll put that to the side. And then you're greeted by the Galaxy Note 9 in Coral Blue again. Alright, so we're going to put that to the side as well. And then next up, you have all the accessories, beginning with the power brick, and this is fast charging out of the box. You also get a OTG adapter. And this adapter is actually used to transfer stuff, so like if you have an old phone or if your old device going to your new device, you can connect this and you can transfer your data from the old device over to the new device. And then you also get the AKG tuned headphones, they're really nice and premium. You also get a USB Type-C cable, and lastly you get the S Pen tips with the S Pen tip removal tool as well. So you get quite a bit. But we're going to go ahead and just jump into the phone itself. Alright, so there's the back of it. Nice blue. And compared to the Galaxy S9, it's a little bit darker, to be honest. The blue is not as light as it is on the S9, which I thought was going to be about the same, but this one's actually a little bit darker. And there's the front as well. Awesome. So first impressions out of it, it feels very much like a Note 8, to be honest. Almost the same footprint and everything. Button placement, still you have your power button on the right, and then you have your volume keys and the Bixby key on the left. On the top you still have the SIM card tray, and the bottom contains obviously your S Pen at the bottom, which we'll go ahead and pop out. This time around they decided to go with like a two-tone type deal here, so you get the blue phone and then you get a yellow pen, and this thing is very yellow. It's almost banana yellow, but it looks good. And then next to that you still have obviously your speaker, you have your USB Type-C charging port, and then you have the headphone jack on the side as well. So you still get all the functionality that you get out of like the Note 8 and the S9 Plus. All the features that you get and external ports are still here. But yeah, that's about it.
Alright, so I went ahead and set up the phone, and the setup process was no different than any other device that I've set up in the past, at least for Samsung. And I'm already at the home screen, and the home screen, well, it looks the same like any other Samsung device, and that's not a bad thing actually. This screen actually looks really good. The colors really pop, and I'm actually pretty excited to watch videos on it, watch YouTube, which I always do. And there's a couple other features that I'm actually excited for, and that's actually starting off with the Bixby button. Now, the reason I'm excited to test out Bixby is because this time around they brought Bixby 2.0, and there's a couple new features that they brought to Bixby that I'm pretty excited to test out. The other thing that I'm excited for is actually the camera. What they did is they took the S9 Plus camera and essentially slapped it onto the Note 9, and that's actually not a bad thing because the S9 Plus was actually probably one of the best cameras out there on a smartphone. And I took some really great pictures, really great videos with it, and I really enjoyed that camera. And on top of that, what they did, they added AI into this, so maybe we'll test it out and see what it's like. Now, the only other thing that I'm actually excited for is the S Pen. And the reason I'm excited for the S Pen this time around is because the S Pen is Bluetooth enabled. With it being Bluetooth enabled, they added some features such as being able to use it as a remote shutter or being able to play and pause music and a couple other features. But besides that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this phone and review it and just give you my honest opinion in about a month. So definitely stay tuned and be subscribed to my channel, which you can do so right here or down below. And that way when I do release that video, you can definitely catch it. Now, it would be really awesome if you can go ahead and press that like button. And I do have other videos that you can check out, which one's right up here, one's right here, and one's right here. So definitely check those out and check out my previous videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.